In this video we see how to transfer cryptocurrency from Binance account to PayPal. At first open Binance app and then to take a look at our cryptocurrency. Then go to Wallet tab down from the bottom. Select one of the cryptocurrencies that PayPal offers in their app. So one of those that they offer is Bitcoin. So that's what I'm going to use for this example. So I'm going to open up my Bitcoin wallet and this is going to be a withdrawal. So I'm going to select the withdraw option. And now I need to get my Bitcoin wallet address from PayPal, copy that down, and then paste it in here. Now open up the PayPal app. From the home page of your PayPal account, you should be able to find your crypto balance up here at the top. If you don't see it in this area, you can also go down to your Finances tab and then click on Crypto tab, and that's going to show the different cryptocurrencies that are available in PayPal. So I'm going to open up the Bitcoin option to get my Bitcoin wallet address, and then I'm going to click the transfer button down here, and this is going to be receiving Bitcoin from Binance. Now select receive and copy Bitcoin wallet address. Now back to Binance and paste in that Bitcoin wallet address right here and then click next. And then we need to enter in how much Bitcoin we'd like to send. Let's say I wanted to send all of the Bitcoins, so I'm going to click max and then click next. That takes us to the final page where it's going to show the address that we're sending it to. The withdrawal fee associated with this how much Bitcoin that you'll end up getting, and if it all looks good to you, you can click withdraw Bitcoin. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and I'll catch you back here next time.